Okay, this is crazy. You can get a Samsung S20, you know, the ones they just announced, for as low as $300. Y'all sound the alert. This is crazy. I'm a little shocked. I am totally shook, as they say. I'm gonna tell you how right after this.
This is, you know you listening to Travis.
What up, players? Welcome back. And for all you new people, welcome. My name is Travis and I do tech videos every single week and have a blast doing them. If that sounds like fun to you, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Anything I talk about will be in the description below. But for now, let's just get into the video. Shout out to my people on my Discord. There's a link in the description below. And also shout out to people who've been following our podcast channel. It's in the link. A link is in the description below. It's called GadgetCast. Really great. We're going to talk about what I'm about to tell you right now, which is how to get a Samsung S20 for $300. Now, let me just say that this very clearly is the greatest deal for any flagship I've heard of ever, period, end of story. Samsung is throwing their long thing down. And for those of you who heard me talking about Samsung's long thing a couple of videos ago, that one's for you. $300 for the S20 is pretty amazing. Let's talk about how you get it. Now, to be clear, you are trading in one of your phones. But I know a lot of you go to your carriers and don't know about some of the incredible deals that Samsung.com actually has. And that's what this is. Samsung wants you to trade in some of your old phones to get some credit. Now, of course, in order to get $700 off the price of these phones, you have to have one of the best phones. So if you are on a Samsung phone, that means the Note 10 or Note 10 Plus. By the way, the Note 10 actually costs less than the Note 10 Plus, but you're getting the same amount of credit. Same thing for the iPhone Pro, the iPhone 11 Pro, and the iPhone Pro 11 Max. Like, there's different, anyway, don't worry about it. $700 off if you have one of those. And if you have a Google phone, I mean, you'll get $600, but you bought a Google phone, so I don't know what you were expecting. So take that off of the low-end S20, and that's a $300 phone. That is mind-numbingly crazy. For that price, there is no better deal in smartphones. There isn't. If you have one of the old flagships from last year and you really are kind of done with it and you want the S20, that's an incredible deal. Now, maybe you want the Plus, that's $500. Or if you want the big daddy, like the Monster Ultra, that's $700. Even that is a crazy good deal. The best deal out of all of them is still kind of the S20 for $300. That's crazy. But if you really want to go super ultra, if you have a Galaxy Note 10, you trade it in, you can get it for a little, I mean, $700 is I'm shocked. But of course, if you don't have one of the flagships from last year, you can get a little bit less, and it seems like they cut in half. It just depends. Each phone is a little bit different. Go to Samsung.com. I'll leave a link in the description below, and tell me which phone are you getting? What phone are you trading in, and how much are you spending on it? Because I'm telling you, these prices are crazy. If this video helped you out in any way, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. And if it didn't, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. I'm here every single week, having a blast. Hope to see you again real soon. Peace and love, peace and love. Should I train in my iPhone?